So in this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial how here in Orleans Central you can change the date and time on your Mac. So sometimes you might notice that the date and time is wrong, or maybe you have other issues. For example, maybe you're having problems connecting to the internet, or it's timing out pages. The culprit may be the date and time. So to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to use an app called Self-Service. So to get to self-service, there's a couple ways you can do that. I can do a spotlight search and just look for self-service and select it from there, double click. Or I could go up to my Go menu and go down to applications and look for self-service in the list of applications there and double click on it. Whatever is easiest for you. Now once you open self-service, kind of think of self-service as the buffet. So I have all these different apps and installs I can list, and they're broken into categories on the side. So for example, let's say I want to install the Kindle app or Skype because I have a meeting coming up. I could do that from self-service. In this case, I'm going to go to maintenance and I'm going to go to reset my computer clock. So when I click on that, there's going to be a progress bar at the top that's going to run. Or if I click on the down menu, it'll show I have one activity running and the progress there. So I could be running multiple different activities from these categories at once. In this case, I'm just running the date and time fix. So it's going to run across the top. You can see the script will finish, and lo and behold, the date and time was actually wrong on this machine. It corrected it by a couple minutes, so hopefully that took care of other issues.